Well, that was really good. I've just been listening to Paramedic Chris on audiobook while I've been letting the dinner cook, and I've really enjoyed just reading about how a community works together and how we should all support one another. And that is with all of the four Paramedic Chris books, actually. I've been listening to them all this afternoon. Why not pop over to the website, paramedicchriskidsbooks.org, and under the shop page you can click on each book and you'll be taken to the link where you can then listen to them on audiobook. Whether you're travelling along in a car and your children want to listen to something, or you want to listen to something, or doing what I'm doing now, cooking or housework, audiobooks are a fantastic way of keeping us occupied. So why not take a listen to the series? I absolutely love audiobooks because not only do I listen, but if I'm actually able to, I actually read the physical covers as well at the same time. So whatever you're doing, keep safe. Thank you for being you.